Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of the important science and surgery video. So first we are going to talk about the Rovsing sign seen in appendicitis. It is the pain in the right lower quadrant when the left lower quadrant is palpated. Then is the McBurney sign also seen in appendicitis. As you know, McBurney's point is the point which is 2/3 from the umbilicus and 1/3 from the right ASIS, which is the point of maximum tenderness in appendicitis. There is significant pain and tenderness on palpating the McBurney's point. Then there is the Murphy sign, which is seen in acute cholecystitis. The patient is told to take a deep breath. The right subcostal region is palpated. Pain on palpation suggests inflamed gallbladder due to acute cholecystitis. Then there is the bird beak appearance or the pencil tip appearance seen in barium contrast insertion in achalasia cardia, as you can see here. Then there is the Hurst phenomena. The pressure builds up until the hydrostatic pressure of the barium contrast increases. Then the pressure of the lower esophageal sphincter causes intermittent spurting of barium in the stomach. This is seen in barium contrast study during achalasia cardia. The Cox appearance seen in diffuse esophageal spasms. The rat tail appearance seen in cancer of the esophagus on barium contrast study. The apple core appearance seen in the colon cancer. The thumbprint appearance seen in ischemic colitis. The sawtooth appearance seen in diverticulosis of the colon. Diverticulae are small sacs protruding from the colon. The cobra head sign seen in ureterocele. As you can see here, the dilated right ureter has entered the bladder. The rim of the radiolucency surrounding the entrance of the ureter seen in the ureterocele looks like a cobra head. The spider leg deformity seen in PCKD, that is polycystic kidney disease, it is due to the compression of the renal calyces by the cyst seen in PCKD, which causes it to form the structure of a spider leg, the structure resembling a spider leg. The chain of Lake sign seen in chronic pancreatitis. The lead pipe deformity seen in ulcerative colitis. This is a very important finding. There is rigid and featureless colon. There is loss of the haustral markings in the colon, that is the loss of the haustrations. There is uniform luminal diameter, and it is seen in chronic ulcerative colitis. Thank you.